Hello students, welcome to online class. Now I'm going to be teach how to multiply the number in integers. Integers number எப்படி multiply பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். Now I give you one example. The number is 7 multiply minus 5. First we going to be multiply the number. First multiply a number multiply பண்ணலாம். If we multiply the number, the answer will be 35, isn't it? So 7 into 5 is 35. And you also multiply the sign also. 7 has a positive sign and 5 has a negative sign. So plus into minus is minus. So answer is minus 35. And next I give you another number, that is minus 6 into minus 3. Now we're going to be multiply this number. If we multiply this number, the answer will be 18, isn't it? 6 3s are 18. And multiply the sign also. Minus into minus is equal to plus. So answer should be in positive sign. So the answer is 18. Like this, we are going to be multiply the number integers. Next, we are going to be see about the closure property. For any two integers a, b, a into b is also one integer. எந்த ரெண்டு டூ இன்டிஜரை நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் வர ஆன்சர் என்னவா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா இன்டிஜராக தான் இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வேல்யூ ஃபார் a is -5 and value for b is 7. If we multiply this number, the answer will be 35, isn't it? Listen here. The answer is 35 and we're going to be multiply the sign. So minus into plus is minus. So the answer is minus 35. Next we're going to be see the next property, that is commutative property. Commutative property for any two integers a, b. If you multiply a into b, it will be equal to b into a. If you multiply in any order, the left hand side and right hand side will be equal. The example for commutative property is the value for a is -1 and the value for b is 5. First we are going to be solve the left hand side, that is a into b. First we are going to be multiply a into b. The value for a is -1 and we are going to be multiply, so multiply sign, and the value for b is 5. If we multiply this number, the answer will be 5, isn't it? But we are going to be multiply the sign also. So minus into plus is minus. So the answer is minus 5. And next we are going to be multiply b into a. And the value for b is 5 and we are going to be multiply. So multiply sign, and the value for a is -1. Now we are going to be multiply this number. If we multiply this number, 5 into 1 is 1 and going to be multiply the sign also. Plus into minus is minus. So the answer is -5. Left hand side were equal to right hand side. For commutative property of multiplication, it will be satisfied. Multiplication la commutative property enna agum appadina satisfy agum, because left hand side was equal to right hand side. Next we are going to be see about associative property. Associative property for any three integers a, b, c. A into bracket b into c or equal to a into b into c. If we multiply the integers in any order, then the answer will be same, that is left hand side was equal to right hand side for associative property. Now we see an example for associative property. The value for a is 4 and value for b is -6 and value for c is 7. We're going to be solve the left hand side. The value for a is 4 and then next multiply sign and then next bracket, and the value for b is -6 and then next multiple sign, and then the value for c is 7. First we're going to be clear the bracket. If we multiply the bracket, that is -6 into 7, the answer is 42. And multiply the sign also, minus into plus is minus. So answer should be in minus, and the number if we multiply is 42. And next we're going to be multiply this two number. If we multiply this two number, the answer is 168, and multiply the sign, plus into minus is minus, so the answer is minus 168. Now we're going to be solve for right hand side. First the value for A is 4, and then into, and the value for B is minus 6, and the value for C is 7. First we're going to be clear the bracket. So we're going to be multiply 4 into minus 6. If we multiply this number, the answer will be 24, and multiple the sign, plus into minus is minus, so the answer is minus 24. And next we're going to be multiple into 7. 24 into 7 is 168, and minus into plus is minus, so the answer is minus 168, and left hand side was equal to right hand side. So for multiplication, associative property will satisfied. Next we going to be see the identity property for multiplication. Next we going to be see about multiplicative identity. For any integer a into 1 equal to 1 into a. If we multiply 1 with the integer, the answer will be that integer only. For example, take the value for a is 4. First we are going to be multiply a into 1. The value for a is 4 into 1. So the answer is 4 into 1 is 4. And next we are going to be multiply 1 into a. In a reverse order we are going to be multiply. So 1 into 4 equal to 4. Left hand side was equal to right hand side. So multiplicative identity is 1, and even for multiplicative identity, left hand side was equal to right hand side. Next we are going to be see about distributive property. Distributive property for multiplication over addition. For any three integers a, b, c, a into b plus c, and we're going to be split this number, that is a into b, and then plus sign, and then a into c, and in distributive property of multiplication over addition will be satisfied. Left hand side will be equal to right hand side. The example for distributive property is the value for a is 3, and value for b is minus 5, and value for c is 2. First we are going to be solve the left hand side. The value for a is 3, so 3, and then we have multiple sign, so multiple, and then we have bracket, and the value for b is minus 5, and then we have plus, so plus, and then value for c is 2. First we are going to be clear the bracket. Minus 5 plus 2, both the number having different signs, so we're going to be subtract this number. If we subtract this number, what is the answer? Yes, minus 3, because the value for greater number have a minus sign, so the answer should be in minus. So 3 into, and the value, if we subtract this number, answer is minus 3. If we multiply this number, the answer will be 9, and multiply the sign also, plus into minus is minus, so minus 9 is the answer. Now we are going to be solve for the right hand side. First we are going to be solve the bracket. If we multiply this number, the answer will be minus 15, isn't it? 3 5s are 15, and plus into minus is minus, so minus 15. Next we have plus sign, so plus, and next we are going to be multiply this bracket. If we multiply this bracket, the answer will be 6, because 3 into 2 is 6. And listen here, both the number having different sign, so we are going to be subtract this number. If we subtract this number, the answer will be 9, and 15 has a greater number sign, so the answer should be in negative, so the answer is minus 9, and both left hand side and right hand side was equal. and distributive property of multiplication over addition will satisfied. Thank you students. We see the next property next class.